Hey YouTube friends, me again. See, I got a haircut. Went and did that this morning. Got my little tent set up with my permacool. Went ahead and put on the radiator support. Now on the kit that I bought, the radiator fit in there good, but the instructions are for apparently a 95 and newer. And the bracket that it came with to cut all this out was 95 and newer. So I had to modify that. I went ahead and opened this up a little bit more, give me room for my lines for my AC to go in. The AC lines that I bought weren't the right ones. Apparently, once again, that 95 and newer. So, it's alright, I got a place local I'd go to. Used them once before, and they'll cut custom lines for me and run them. Got the bumper on. Just finished mounting that. Got all this mounted. Measured out for my air cleaner. Gonna go pick that up today. Gotta pick up some training lines and run them. This radiator, it is sweet. Has some serious fans on there, but transmission cooler lines are going to go down, over, then back. Air cleaner is going to come straight over and just straight right here. I'm not going to do anything super fancy with it. And if I can get those things done today, I could just go ahead and add oil and water to her or coolant and fire it up. I don't know. I'm not in that big of a hurry. I'm ready to take it for a spin, but before it hits the road, I'm going to go ahead and replace the heater core. I went ahead and bought a new one for it. I did get the exhaust done. It's the exhaust out of the Camaro, the old exhaust. So it's not going to be quite as quiet as I was wanting, but I can always change the mufflers. But for free, for what I had sitting around, it's not bad. Couple mag and flows back there. It does got my electric cut off dumps. Not use them on the Camaro anymore, so I went and put them on this. That way when I get the quiet mufflers, I can, when I want to get serious, I can get serious. So that's where we're at today. Trying to figure out what I want to do next. I guess I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the grill back together. And the headlights in. I gotta order new headlights. The headlights I ordered, they're ugly. They're bright, but God, they're ugly. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and set you up over here. It's not really an ideal place, but I can arrange something else. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get my stand. So I'm so close to the fence right here, and I could open it up, but I just hadn't felt like it. I'm just screwing on the grill. I'll just go ahead and take a video afterwards. So thanks for tuning in. I'll keep you posted.